Are you not a product of church system? Is your faith not found in other things rather than Christ who died on the cross? Does your faith stand on the blood that was shed on the cross? There is a faith of Samuel. Ayangasi ologun. Somebody ba beda. Ya jo pade. Ma fi Samuel pati eje. That's a kind of faith. You understand? That's not the faith of the gospel. That you treat the Bible as an occultic book. That this matter, let's settle it with Psalm 35 and balance it with Psalm 109. Now, there is a faith of the gospel. Am I communicating to you? You can only be born again when you hear the gospel of salvation, not the gospel of fear of demon. There is another gospel. There is gospel of prosperity. There is gospel of freedom for licentious living. There is gospel of materialism. These are adulterated gospel.